So the three legs of the housing transaction start with your agent. The realtors can help you move forward and find the right mortgage professional, with the third leg being the title insurance company. So the question becomes, what is the title insurance and why do we need it? Welcome to Table Talks. I'm Carla, a realtor with Coldwell Banker Realty. Table Talks is where I answer your questions about the real estate market with tips and ideas surrounding the subject. So if you have a question, message me on social media at Selling Dwellings or at LinkedIn and my website at Carla Knight Homes, and I will respond to you directly to answer your situation and possibly expand with the video. So today we're asking, what does a title company do and why do we need them in the transaction? This is always a question I'm asked at least once every transaction I have. A great way to start is understanding that a title professional is a third party, not invested in the transaction, who gathers all the documents that the buyer and seller agree upon. The agents or realtors create those documents. The lender documents for the recording of the deed of trust, to use the property as collateral for the loan and the funds needed for the transaction, and they act as what's called a scribe of the transaction. So the third leg of the transaction is title insurance, and today I have the pleasure to introduce Jennifer Kelso Shaw, an escrow officer with Guardian Title. Hi, Jennifer, and thanks for joining us today.
Hi, it's nice to see you. I'm glad to be here.
Oh, great. So tell us a little bit, what is title insurance?
Title insurance is a one-time paid premium that protects from past events concerning ownership and interest in the property. It also protects against losses arising from unknown clouds on title.
So what are clouds on title and why don't you want them?
So clouds on title are liens or encumbrances that may impair the ownership interest of a property. Your current mortgage is considered a cloud, or any other lien that may be placed by a third party.
Okay, that's all very clear. So why is the title insurance important?
So a buyer, when they go to purchase a house, expects the property to be free and clear of any debts or obligations that are not created by themselves, and the protection includes coverage for legal expenses for both parties, the buyer and the seller.
So as you can see, the title insurance and the services that are incorporated into the closing agent's tasks can save you money and hassles in the long run as you live in the property and when you decide to sell. So, do you have anything more you'd like to expand about title insurance?
I get a lot why the seller wants to have to purchase it. However, it is negotiable in the contract, so you don't have to have the seller purchase it, but you also have to have it, because without it, you may not have free and clear title, and then somebody could knock on the door and just say, hey, this is my house. And nobody really wants to have their house taken from them, so we have to make sure that we have all of the proper paperwork.
So ensuring that you have the right title and the paperwork for your transaction. Always have a good title company and a great title rep like Jen. Thanks for coming today.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yes, and if you have any questions and you're wondering if there's any clouds on your title, private message me or call me, and I can run a quick report and we can see what's going on with that. So have a great day, and we hope this was helpful.